the salt.
Oh, this is it.
Can I add some? Put pepper.
It's okay.
It's okay. Please, if you need any more food, just call me. That's sure. Let me go and eat the one in the kitchen.
Long live the king, King Odumodu V of Oboduku Kingdom, the one whose reign has become a source of joy to his people. May your days and that of your household be long.
As you join me to welcome my lovely children. Yes. I think it would be proper if I refresh your memories on who they are. This is Maid, my first daughter. She's a chemical engineering graduate at the University of Massachusetts.
Greetings, my elders. Thank you.
And of course, her younger sister, Thelma. You may remember her?
You know she's grown up now.
She studied law at Harvard University.
Yes, Igwe, I remember her. She was playing with my daughter when she fell from Odara.
Oh,
is she the one?
I can't remember that. I can't remember.
I remember. Is she the one?
I don't know.
Here is my son, the heir apparent to the throne.
Oh, you remember?
Yes. Desmond is his name.
Oh, this small.
Yes, he's an undergraduate in criminology.
Huh?
Oh, yes.
What's up, elders?
I'll say.
How you doing? How you doing?
No. That's the way they greet in the United States.
What's up? Well, yes. Anyway, you're all welcome.
Yes. Welcome. He's studying criminology. Yeah, no, I didn't say he's a criminal. He's studying how to identify criminals.
Oh,
Igwe, we did you never introduce us.
Of course, I remember. This is Paul and Silas.
Oh.
Yes, Silas is in charge of the gate.
Okay.
Yes, we call him Minister of Gate Affairs. And of course, my chair.
Igwe.
Nice to meet you guys.
Hey! Why are you smiling at my sisters? Are you mad? Have you lost it? You don't do that. I'm gonna bust your head.
Hey, what is wrong with you? Must you always be rude to people? What has he done?
What would they do? What for? Damn.
Please keep it down already. Damn.
Hi, Silas. Hi, Paul. Really nice to meet you guys.
I think I like them already.
We like you. Hey, come bring that fucking hand down. Are you crazy? I said bring it down. How dare you say hi to my sisters? Have you lost it? Don't you know who you are? Override, Papa.
Don't be at the car. Come on, this is your food. Guys, say go ahead. Tidy.
Listen, I'll warn you for the last time. Don't call me that. My name is Paul.
What did they worry this one? I don't know say your name na Paul before I call you overripe Papa. Make I ask you, say, what make you the vex like that? No, what make you the vex? No, say you be man. Man not supposed to vex the way you take the vex. Eh? You don't get all those kind small woman features for body. I don't blame you now. Now the kind of work what you do now. Now the kind of work when man decide to be chef. Make I even ask you, say, what make you go school, go study, say you're chef, you won't go study. Why?
What stupid question is that?
Not be stupid question. Now question what I would like to know. Why you go study chef? Eh? All your mates, they go there, go to study banking, engineering, doctor. You know see all those things study. You go to study how beans go to rise.
You know what? You're crazy. Give me my plate.
Not be replaced with this. Because I say this food go where? This food they test account. The food no even sweet self. You know even sweet. Go school, go to study rice and beans. No, wasted certificate.
Leave my kitchen.
You dey whine me. Make I leave your kitchen.
Yes.
They thunder fire you. If Her Majesty hear this thing when you talk, Her Majesty will sack you. Now your kitchen be this. Not be Her Majesty get am.
Silence. I command you to go to your duty post.
I command you to shut up and listen to me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You know what? No food for you for 2 weeks.
No going out for you for 2 weeks.
What?
You heard me. You hear me well now?
Oh.
Yes.
You're going to lock the
I
gate?
will lock the gate.
Okay. At least I have food to eat.
Yes.
But I have food to eat.
I know you anyway. Say no food for me for waiting.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
You want make I die? Why food not go there for me for 2 weeks?
Please leave my kitchen.
Not be your kitchen now. Her Majesty kitchen.
Leave my kitchen.
You are just walking here.
Leave my kitchen.
No. Just do your man like slack countess. I will never leave your
What's Kuntus?
How you want to know it to be countess? When you don't know you go to study home economics.
Kuntus, come. My friend, leave my kitchen.
I know they come up for your kitchen. Your kitchen.
All right then. Stay here.
Slack
Kuntus. What's Kuntus?
Why you attending? See the way they got countess.
Dad,
So crazy.
Come on, son, you don't say that of your dad.
but Daddy should know what I'm saying is the truth. Okay, look at your beard. It's looking so gray.
Stop it. Dad has come of age.
Oh, yeah, she's right. I've come of age. I am 24 this year.
21.
Ah!
And I am 16.
Oh, sweet system.
The table has finally broken. But truth be told, a lot has really changed around here, Mom.
Yeah.
A lot has changed.
Of course.
Yes.
And maybe you don't expect things to remain the same.
Well, yeah, that's right.
You know what? I am 24 and still searching.
Searching for what?
What are you searching for?
I don't get it.
Oh, well, I'm searching for word.
Oh,
That's nice.
it's never enough.
And you see, I have found my word. Look at that.
So sweet. Oh my days. Mommy.
Nice.
And you sipped. You love.
Sweet sister.
So good to be back home. So happy.
I'm so happy.
I can't wait to go around the village.
Same here.
Can't wait to go to the street. Take selfie.
Yeah.
Videos.
Oh, yeah. Just be careful, there is COVID.
silence. Every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To run somebody in the palace, this palace. To run somebody in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slavery. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To run somebody in the palace. To run somebody in the palace. Hey, Paul Walker, Paul and Silas, you wahala too much. Yeah, you wahala too much. Silas the slayer, to run somebody in the palace. Where they like slaves, to run somebody in the palace. Paul Walker, a very good chief chef. You know they take eyes, see sweet baby, oh. A chef with different. Paul Walker, Silence, yo. Take am easy. You wahala too much, yo. Silence slayer, you too like better thing, but you're broken in a trouble for this balance. Some like am like that, they switch them for head, but you don't give trouble, sure. Wahala don't be, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silence, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To run somebody in the palace, this palace. To run somebody in the palace. Silas the slayer.
I've told you to always use the royal errand car when going to the market. That car is meant to serve domestic purposes.
I'm sorry, my queen. The driver is on leave.
You know Sabi drive.
Looks like your mom, Debbie.
Paul, can you drive? I guess you can, right?
Ma?
I guess you can drive, right?
Ma, I'm still a learner.
See?
My hands are not very strong, but I can drive.
You can drive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Henceforth, whether the driver is active or not, that car is officially yours.
Thank you, my queen.
Congratulations. See your life now. Ordinary chef to car owner.
My queen, Silas is a very good driver too.
Oh, Silas can drive too?
Yes, but if your spirit says to give me car, you can give me car.
It's okay. You may return to your duty post. But let it be known that I warned you never to ply the road by foot again. That car there is yours for now.
Thank you, my queen. It's errand cow.
Shut up.
It's not like they're giving you for your personal use.
Like who's seller?
Silence. Wash the 2 cars and get them ready. Then phone Ejike to come to the palace immediately.
Okay. My queen, this one you say 2 cars. Now the 2 I won't take come out. I want to take come out. Make I know which one I go watch first. Make I not just go watch the 2 and make dust go cover them. So which one?
Silence!
So my queen, inside the child is in the car where you want, like inside or outside, or now the 2 now. Make I just know. Make I not watch and when exactly until they come out, go. I just know.
Silence.
My queen.
How many times have I warned you to stop speaking foul language in this palace?
Sorry, my queen.
Now ask your question in proper English.
My queen, na dear Wahala. Is there Wahala will be doing like, you know what, it's okay. It's okay. Everything's...
Silence. I said, correct yourself and ask that question in proper English now. And you dare not keep me waiting.
My queen, I say it's okay, but okay. I want like, when will you, when do you want to went out? And when you went, like, what's the rigmarole, like, what is actually when do you really want to went? So I'll know when to, like, is it the purpose?
Will you shut up and get out of my sight?
No, my queen, you say you want English. I won't give you English. I mean, you know the climat of the papeluzo.
Silence, get out.
While I done day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To run somebody in the palace, in this palace. To run somebody in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave with you. You wahala too much.
Where they happen? You said to do that's how the food sweet you reach.
Can I help you?
They greet you, they when they play with you with smiling face. Yo, can I? Why you dey vex? Why you always do like woman where they on? Eh? I be the day they born you never take light. Why you dey vex? What did they go really they go on?
Table manners. I don't talk whilst eating.
Hey. Where did that one come in? Where the table, where the manner? Even if you won't tell me, must you tell me in that kind of manner? About table manner? What did they manner you?
Please, what's the problem? How can I help you?
Anyway, you get some kind of slap when I dodge from madam. You don't understand? And now based on say she don't feel want me become, say me cannot speak pidgin English. You understand? She don't like all this my lifestyle based on my pidgin, my slangs and everything. You understand? So me no go good now. Say senior man like me, say they come to slap me again. So I just say, man, I come meet you. May you just based on, may you update me based on the street language. All those posh. I wanna thing. Just tell me how it be. So I go now. So I'll take the floor. You understand? Man, I go the form deaf and dumb for where she did. That made me come meet you.
So in a nutshell, you're trying to say you want me to teach you how to speak proper English.
Something like that, but I don't know TB. You should come in nutshell. What you do not? Tangra not. La cola not.
All right. First of all,
go down low.
If you want me to teach you how to speak proper English,
yeah,
you have to enroll yourself in a primary school. That's the first thing to do.
Jesus. CC finish. No, this one a better C finish. And I don't blame you.
How?
No, let me carry myself now. Make me go enroll for primary school. Ask Wetty. What do you do adult class?
No.
Eh?
Primary school.
Make I go back to primary school.
Yeah, it's going to be
because
easy.
I come meet you. What do you really feel like? If they really say, maybe you begin to fire English on the normal day, you feel say you go fit speak English past me. If I really mean, if I vex.
No, a beggar has a choice.
Meaning what? Who they beg?
Really?
I don't really blame you now. Now the hand where they give you for this house, then make you feel like say you don't arrive. First of all, what you gonna make you consider for here the chop? They sit down for your chop. Inside house no dey, but you won't just prove a point. Say you they wear white and they wear orange. All of us are domestic staff. We are for the domain. All of us don't do our name. You
someone at the gate.
Make thunder fire who they gate. Make thunder fire you. You all kitchen, I all gate. So when they feel say you too special because you they wear white and they wear orange. See am now, you dey chop salad. I fit chop salad. Can your gate man ever? Where I want see salad? Even the chop fried meat. Okay, I talk to you. You see the chop. Make I just carry this meat now. Man, carry this meat.
Silas, have you gone mad? Talk to me, have you gone mad?
I don't talk while eating.
My king, we might be needing new staffs, especially now that our children are back from the States.
How are you sure the ones you'll employ will not be worse than the former?
We shouldn't blame the old ones that much. Because we did not let them know the implications of engaging in immorality in the palace. Yes.
So what are you suggesting?
Staffs are inevitable here. All we need to do is to teach them the do's and don'ts of the royal home. The memory still remains evergreen. That fateful day, he forcefully laid with me, and the product of that single act is you. Men. Your father never cared about me. He never cared about you. He never cared about us. He threw us in the street to suffer. I suffered. I went through pains, bitterness, and agony. I suffered a lot just to bring you up. All my life, I've never seen a man as heartless as your father.
Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, Mother. We must reclaim all that belongs to us. I must fight with everything within my powers to possess our possessions. We are royal. And royal we must remain.
I love you.
I love you, Mother.
I love you, my child. I love you.
Silas.
Hey, Polo.
Can I get your food now?
No, leave him. I want to go do something.
What's that you're holding and where are you going?
I might just say make I go deliver this letter to Okoro. I dey suspect say Bly say meeting one day this house tomorrow.
Okoro? You mean the brief guy?
What be brief guy?
I mean the little dark-skinned guy.
Okoro now, that short black guy now where they knock something they go for everywhere. Go they do
But we're saying the same thing. So what's the errand?
Okay, so you don't say now what you call be brief?
What are you going to tell him?
I'm not here. I say like I dey suspect a meeting day. They just say make I give. I no fit open now.
Oh, like a general meeting.
Yes.
Ah, so that means I'll have to cook again.
As it affect you, affect me.
How?
Because people go they come and go they open gate. The more they open gate, the more I close gate. Now the same thing now.
Please hurry up and come back.
What did they happen?
Hurry up and come back because who's going to open the gate?
As I come out, just man the gate. Just the handle gate for me.
How do you mean?
Which one be how do I mean? If you hear her, you know open gate.
If you don't come back on time, I won't give you food though.
Okay, yeah. You won't hold the kitchen strong now. Oh God, this guy, as gate man, helping the gate man. I'll leave this one, make I follow this one, come on. So you will just use this one. The key there for that place.
Hurry up or I'm not opening the gate for you.
You've not answered my question. Paul, you fainted last week and you never told me or His Majesty, did you?
I'm sorry, my queen. I apologize.
I really don't know why you workers always find it so hard to digest a simple English.
I'm sorry, my queen.
There he goes again with his unreasonable apology.
My queen, please let me come in here. Paul, the queen is only asking if you fainted last week.
I'm sorry, Mom. It won't happen again.
Simple. And you are here apologizing. Apologizing for fainting? If you fainted, you don't have to be sorry about it. Anyway, Silas made a request on your behalf, and it will be attended to with immediate effect. You may leave now.
Thank you.
One more thing. Do not bottle up things that concerns your work in this palace. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my queen. Thank you.
Perhaps he doesn't want to bother you.
Yes. He is so calm, so gentle. He doesn't speak up. I've tried all I could to make him comfortable. Yet he keeps acting strange.
You can't cheat nature. Probably that's his lifestyle. But Paul is not looking bad. He's cute.
Are you serious?
No, my queen, it's not what you think. No hard feelings at all.
It's all right. It's all right. So
like I was saying, yesterday.
Mama, what is it? This one you're jubilating. What happened? So you have not heard? Heard what? So you did not hear the town crier this morning? Hey! I went to the stream, ma. What is the latest? What is it? Okay, let me tell you. The Igwe has declared a vacancy at the palace for maids and guards. Hey! Are you serious? Are you serious? We are going, you know. We are going. There. Wait, I can't wait to be seeing my crush. Oh my God! Oh! Your point. My crush. Yeah, we are there already. Let me go and. We are there already. Practicing how to storm. Are you serious, Becca? No. Are you serious? Do I look like I'm joking? Do I look like I'm joking?
Why are you avoiding me?
Do you realize where you are? What exactly are you doing in my room? What is your mission in this palace?
You are my mission, Your Highness. Nobody messes with Rose and goes scot-free. I am here to have you as much as I want.
Do you realize my wife could walk in here any minute?
I do not care.
stay here?
No, I'm not enjoying anything. Everywhere seems to be dry.
How?
Nothing is happening.
You should know here is a palace.
So we should be outside.
No, most times palace used to be lonely, and you should know your father is a very principled person. So anything you see here, you just manage it. You have to take it easy with him. And but I promise you.
Mom, my sister and I, we're not going to manage. Right? We came for a holiday. We should be outside.
Just relax, okay? Take it easy with your father.
My sisters and I, we came for holiday. We should be outside. You expect us to... No. Doesn't make sense.
You already know him. You have to manage him.
Everywhere's so dry. Everywhere is so dry. Remembering me?
Don't worry yourself. By now you should have get used to him. Relax, calm down.
No, Mom, don't tell me to calm down. Alright, don't tell me to calm down. Just look at everywhere. Everywhere is so mixed up.
It's okay. It's okay.
We're back in America. We're always outside. We do things. This spoon looks so dirty.
It's not Mama. It's not Mama.
Woman, what is the matter?
I hope you like the food.
Yeah, the food is good.
Eat your food. Enjoy your food. Don't mind her.
What happened?
Simply because I told her she's not going to the palace to do maiden job. This girl refused to eat food or go to any errand for me. Come and leave this compound. Let me see you.
For what?
For what? Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Will you shut up your mouth? I'm talking to your mother.
For what? Okay. If we allow her to go and work in the palace, who will be doing the house chores? Who will be fetching water from me? Who will be fetching firewood from me to cook in this house? Who?
Wait, is Ekene not there?
Oh!
Will you shut up your mouth and go inside? Go inside. I don't want to see you again.
Go inside. Go inside. I'm on Pama. Ekene Colombian mad. Ekene, a man like Ekene will be going to fetch water for me and firewood.
She's going to work in the palace. If she passes the interview, full stop.
Oh, you said if she passes the interview, full stop. Don't worry. The question mark is still coming.
Mama, where is Papa? It's not happen. It did not happen. What kind of thing is this now?
Tell your father.
It did not happen.
Tell your father.
A full grown-up man like me, I will go to market. I will go and fetch water. For what now? Doing the house chores. Is Uloma crippled?
Oh, ask your father.
Uloma is going to work in the palace.
Which palace?
The one you know.
Papa, let me ask you. How many children do you have? Apart from I and Uloma, how many children do you have that you will dash Uloma to the palace?
Ask him.
That means I will go to my maternal home and stay now. I will go to my maternal home and stay.
Supported. Can you support Ologi? Nemu, when you go I am in the supporters club. Now go to my mother's place and stay with my mother.
All right.
Yes.
All right. You can start going now to your maternal home so that you get there early.
I will go.
So that your mother will do all the housework.
I will go. I will go. I will go. I will go. Can you not call this?
Chukwajo.
It has happened, no.
I say,
Oh,
it will not happen in this house.
Okay.
I cannot have a daughter like Uloma, as grown up as Uloma in this house, and you send her out to go and work, then turn to me to start doing the work. And I'm a giru and I'm a gaz. Eh? And I'm a giru and I'm a gaz. It will not happen.
Okay.
It will not happen.
It will happen.
No, it will not happen in this house.
I said it will happen.
I said it will not happen in this house.
Uloma will walk in that palace.
Uloma will not walk in the palace. It will not happen
already.
It will not happen.
Nothing will change it.
It will not happen.
Obedient, nothing will change it.
It will not happen.
That number. See, let me tell you something. I cannot wait to enter into that palace. I mean that paradise. That is my calling. That is my birthright. In fact, my placenta was buried in that palace. You see this opportunity. I will not miss it. I repeat, I cannot miss it for anything. Once I get into that palace, that golden opportunity that God has kept for me for Oge to go into the world and multiply and manifest. Oh, once I enter there, even the Paris people will know that my presence is there. They will feel it, they will connect.
So, hey, what is wrong with this one? No, what is your problem? What are you talking about?
You're asking me what I'm talking about. Yes. Anyway, I don't even expect you to understand what I'm talking about because I am the owner of the vision. And because I own the vision, I know where I'm going to. I see where I'm going to. That is why I'm saying, oh, Father, Lord, and my God, I pray that this day that you have given me this opportunity to go into that Paris, Father, do not give me the privilege to disappoint you, Father. Anything that would distract my foresight from seeing the love of my life, achieving that mission, oh God, Father, destroy every distraction. And Father, I pray that you give me the 4th and the 2nd and the 3rd sight, because that 3rd sight, in case I go blind while I am failing to achieve my dream, I will see road in Jesus' name. I don't expect you to say amen. Are you jealous? No, answer me, are you jealous?
Stop. Wonder shall never end, though. Eh? Bong bong. See, you had better start going back to your mother's place. Do you hear me? Because this your tongue will just disqualify you before the interview. You have not even passed the interview yet. You are here claiming and planning to go and grab the love of your life in the palace.
Look at this one. No, just take a look at you. You listen to yourself. When you open your mouth and tongue, you don't listen and understand what you are talking about. I don't need to stand before them for any interview. You know why? Because that Paris is my calling. That is my birthright. Once I enter there, in fact, everyone is standing on their feet. They want to welcome me. They want to associate with me. They want to have my knowledge. They want to tap from my wisdom and know what I've brought for the table.
Wait.
What is
Madam
it
Vision.
there? What?
Who is this love of your life in the palace that you want to go and grab? Let me ask you. Is it the prince? The one that just returned from abroad? Or the handsome chef in the palace? Abi, the fine bobo where they forget? No, tell me. Or maybe the king himself? No, tell me.
What you? Oh, I see. But one thing you don't understand is that I am even smarter than you. Oh, you are looking for a way to know who is my rough interest, so that by the time I just answer your question, why, you just run over, maneuver, and go and take his hand. I am too smart for you now to use. You cannot override my shadow in my membrane. You are talking about the king. What will I use an old man for? Somebody that if I climb on top of him, he will just die before his time. I don't want the royal blood to be on my hand now. It's not my target. Anyway, that question you just asked me, you have failed because you will not get any useful answer from my mouth. You know why? My business is my secret. And my secret is my business. Thus, I carry the key, lock it, and then the key is inside my brassiere. It can never come out. It can never come out, Mama. Yes, you don't know that. I have a mission. I have where I'm going to. And as I'm going, my dear sister, follow me.
You're going mad.
Follow me as I'm going.
You're going mad.
You will not follow me. I know you are kind of people that does not want to see anybody that lives around you progressing. You are enemy of progress. But you know what? You will be behind me because that is why you see people, failure people that does not want to see you spread your wings and fly like a winner that you are. But I am on a mission. I am going. But anyway, as I am going, I am moving ahead. And as I'm moving ahead, I am walking to the promised land. You remember the promised land? That one I see you milk and honey. And when I enter there, I will see the rock of my life. And then I call him and say, baby, come to me, this is where you belong. That's my heart. And once he enters my heart, I cook a very fang. I return, I thank for. And then the weak point of him, I'll give him a
Shut up! Be here and be dreaming. You're talking too much. This is the love of your life. Going to the palace.
You don't have eyes. How can you dream? Let me tell you, dream belongs to people that have eyes and can sleep at night. You morning, afternoon, now you are walking around. My dear sister, I need time to relax and dream. Okay. Come to you. Come to me. Okay. Mama, me, the love of my life. Baby, come to me, me. Mama, in that palace, once they see, okay, everybody will fall for you because, okay, it's coming with sweat. Okay, it's coming with sweat. Attack me, I don't need to get Okay, which time?
After everything, after all my efforts, your father doesn't want to believe that someone like you exists. But do not let that bother you because you'll be going ahead of me. You will be going to the palace to work as one of the maidens. I will be coming afterwards.
But, Mother, how do we work things out?
Leave that to me. The Queen is my close friend. It's not going to be an easy one. But I believe the end will be rosy.
Thank you so much, Mother. Thank you for always putting a smile on my face.
And I love you so much.
I love you too, Mother. Thank you.
All right? You have
Good
to
night,
sleep.
Mother.
All right, good night.
You think it's right the way you behave. You think it's right the way you behave. Oh my dear, my dear. Oh my dear, my dear. You think it's right the way you behave. You think it's right the way you behave.
Greetings, my queen. My name is Adobe, and my father's name is Peter Obi, the only farmer in this community. My queen, you know, anywhere that my father is going for farm work, he will take me along, be it in the village or in the city. So, my queen, I'm here to work so that I can assist my father. I can do anything, no. If you like, I can still go to your farm here in the palace, my queen. I can sweep, I can cook, I can do anything. Anything at all, my queen, to support my father. My queen, I can dance, so as you can see, even when I'm talking, I'm dancing. Do you want me to dance, my queen?
It's okay. You can go.
I will work your farm, oh my queen. I'm a good farmer.
Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, maybe well looking fair. If you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You not go fix now. Everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You not go fit control everything where they happen.
Greetings, my queen. That my colleague that just left here now, and she talk about that she can do anything. Madam, I am so scared for you because the way she was winding her waist, Mahabasim, she may end up going with the king, and you know what that means to ya. Well, thank you very much, my queen, for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Ogeyi, but my people call me Mfonobong. That means the goodness of the Lord. I am from Maid by father's side, this kingdom, yes. While from Maid by mother's side, from Akwa Ibom State, Uyo local government, yes, ma. Madam, as you can see, I am a fashion designer. Yes, when you talk about fashion, you talk about Ogechi. When you talk about Ogechi, you talk about Mfonobang that knows how to do fashion. Madam, I came prepared to show you what I brought to you. My leg is carrying a pink shoe. That shoe's Pinky, baby. They call me Mfonobang Pinky. And my skirt is green color. My queen, what does green simplifies? It shows growth. Well, the land is green. Mfonobang is here. Okay, he is here. I am bringing you green tidings. And when you talk about my top blue, madam, that shows the sky. The sky is blue. And everywhere is going to be flying high. Madam, as time goes on, I may end up flying with the It's not that I will take your king with me. It's just that I will make the Paris flow high, wide, and mighty. Madam, I heard that you are having BP. That is why I want to bring you good tidings from my kitchen cousin. I will bring you a fang subarita natama, even a touch of a panguko, so that by the time I garnish those little things and you eat it, your BP will come down. In fact, you'll be looking for Ogechi. That's your BP drugs all the time. Madam, you're smiling. I know, Nanga. I know. I've not even started giving you the food. You're happy. That means by the time I keep feeding you, you may end up eating me. Oh yes, you may mistake me for the food.
I'm interested in that afan soup.
You will be interested, Mando. Okay, Mando drop my profile. That means if I just drop my profile, madam, you'll be left with no choice. I know what I bring. That is a touch on my pedigree. If I want to download other things, I don't know whether your memory card will be able to carry everything, madam.
It's okay. You can go.
I'm not sure.
Go.
Madam, I wore my sandal. You said I should go. You like the pink shoe? Okay.
Next.
The shoe.
Your Majesty. My name is Eliza. Some people used to call me Queen Elizabeth of Nigeria. Maybe you see me as I park in. So that one aside. I'll tell you what I like. Me. I like Quilly. I like sweetie. I like chewing-gum. And I like plenty money. I don't like hard work, but I know in this palace, there's plenty money here. And that's why I say, let me just come. The little things that I do. So I will say plenty money. And I also like that. I like it very well. So that's why I say, let me come here. Because I know we do here. Plenty. No, I mean plenty money.
Can go. Next.
Greetings, my friend. My name is Uloma.
Good afternoon. I am here the interview.
What kind of mumu talk with that? See where you put your mouth talking. How you dey look this place? Eh? This is how they do African time for this palace. When they tell you come by 7, you come by 7. Nobody say they will tell you say come by 7. You're gonna come by any time when you like. Now they tell you may you come. Yeah. Sorry for yourself. Follow this place. Just go straight by your left. You go see your other mates for there.
Are you okay, sir? Sir?
Yes. I do okay.
Yeah.
Just go.
I said I should follow this way, then my left. Thank you, sir. My name is Asa. I'm a very calm girl and I'm very humble. And I am very sure that I'm going to be doing my job very diligently in this palace and to stay loyal to all the royal family. And I promise never to go against the rules and regulations of this palace.
I like them.
You do?
Yes, I do. From what I observed, I think they will carry out their jobs diligently if we employ them.
So you are suggesting we deploy them, or do we wait for the next batch to conclude the interview before?
As it pleases your majesty.
It is in your jurisdiction, so I leave that for you.
No, you are the king.
Your Majesty.
You are here to decide.
Yes?
What is it?
May your days be long.
Thank you.
Your Majesty, I came to inform you that the royal dining is set and lunch is served.
Is that all?
No, ma. Your Majesty, I also want to remind you that the month has ended. When are you paying us?
It's okay, we've had you. You can go. You can go. Let's go to the
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Ooh. Okay, guys. So I should start cooking in 20 minutes. So I'll be giving you 10 minutes to finish up. Is that okay?
It's okay.
All right.
Chef Paul.
Oh, great. Oh, listen. Why don't you focus on this side? Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I'll see you guys later, okay? 10 minutes.